quick screencast on is the use of the run command, the run magic command in Jupyter. So the whole idea of this is to try and make the code in the Jupyter notebook a bit more legible, a bit more easier to read without having stuff that you don't need to see all the time in your face, but still accessible to be used. So if we've got, for example, a little function or procedures to do some stuff, maybe show a menu, which could be as simple as maybe something like this. Obviously we can call that as per usual, show menu. That works absolutely fine. Now if this menu was really big and something we don't need to see the code for all the time, it could end up taking quite a bit of space that we don't need. So what we can do is we can take that, we can cut it out, and we can put that in a separate Python file. So I'm just going to call it menu code.py, and paste it into there. And then in the notebook we can instead call the run interactively, and then we just put the name in, which was menu underscore code. From memory we don't need the .py. When we run that, it runs it, and what it's basically doing is taking that Python file and it's pasting it straight in to the place where we've got the %sign run command. So it's just trying to make the code, the whole thing a lot shorter. It means if you've got files you run regularly, then it's obviously a lot easier. So we do this for including the utilities files. We do this for including the graphs files in later ones. For any test data we want to include, we don't print all the test data out, make you read through all that. You don't need to look at that while you're editing your code. So we call it in like this. It's one line of code. It makes it a lot easier to read and obviously a lot shorter. So hopefully that's a good start.